Zach from Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson here, and here I got with me is a 2022 Street Glide Standard in this beautiful midnight crimson paint scheme, one of my personal favorites. Now you got 3 color options for this bike. You've got white sand pearl, vivid black, and of course this beautiful midnight crimson. Now let's go ahead and get into the bike. So first things that we have done to this bike is bars and pipes. So it's got factory 47 12-inch bars. It's going to put you in an upright position. It's going to allow you to ride more comfortably. And we put tab performance slip-on pipes. It's going to give you an awesome rumble. Your friends and everybody's going to be able to hear you, and it's going to sound kind of like an old school Harley. It's pretty sweet. So next thing I want to get into, so with the Street Glide Standard, this one is equipped with the traction control, the rider defense system. It's got traction control, it's got rain mode, hill assist, active cornering. It's got all these different safety enhancements to help you be a better rider and to stay on the road as long as possible. Another thing that's got on there is going to be the Boom GTS audio system. It's fully integratable with your phone. You can Bluetooth your phone to it. You can send calls, text, whole 9 yards. It has an awesome sound system as well. It sounds great. You're going to be able to hear it going down the highway. Doesn't matter what speed you're going, 70 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour, you're still going to be able to hear it. It's awesome. So if you're new to this, the Street Glides in 2014 and all the touring bikes got an update on the bags. It has the one-touch bag system. Now the Street Glide Standard doesn't have the stretch bags, but it does still retain that system. It's super convenient, so if you're sitting at a red light, all you have to do is reach behind you, open the bag, close it. Previous model years, you had to actually pull over, get off, and actually open the bike that way. Now this bike is equipped with a Milwaukee-Eight 107 with a precision oil cooler on it, so it runs a whole lot cooler than the old twin cam does, and colder bikes typically make more power. So this bike is rocking 100 foot-pounds of torque from the factory. You usually got to put some money into the bike to get to that, so I think that's awesome that Harley has produced a motor that's making 100 foot-pounds of torque right out the door. Next thing I want to get into is going to be this fairing here. So the biggest thing you're going to notice about the difference of it is it turns whenever you move the handlebars, unlike the Road Glide. And what that's going to do for you is it's going to allow you to see your headlights move with you as you're turning. So if you're riding around in the city, or if you're riding on the highway, you're taking a turn, you're going to actually be able to see where you're turning into. It's going to be an awesome ride for you. Next thing I want to get into is the floating floorboards. Now these floating floorboards, what they're going to do for you is when you're doing these long rides, typically when you get off and you've got pegs, your feet are going to be fatigued, you're going to be tired. You're not going to have to worry about this anymore because those floating floorboards are going to suck up the vibration. It's going to feel a whole lot more comfortable for you. This thing's rocking a 6-gallon gas tank, so you're in it for the long haul. You got plenty of fuel, plenty of mileage, and if you want to know more about this bike, come see me at Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson. Again, my name is Zach.